This is okay, we'll give him a second. Alright, you ready? Alright, this is Jamie. And like most people, he starts his day off with the shower. Jamie's showers have been pretty special lately, and that all has to do with this guy, the Orijin sponge. The Orijin... The Orijin sponge is 100% natural, antimicrobial, and infused with bamboo charcoal. There's not a single pinch of plastic in its creation, making bacteria and other nasty, musty smells in your sponge a thing of the past. Speaking of past, it wasn't always like this for Jamie. Jamie used to shower with the most widely used sponge in the market today, the popular loofah puff. But not only do loofah puffs and other sponges made from plastic take over 100 years to fully decompose, they don't absorb water, are harsh on the skin, and are a wild playground for smells and bacterial growth. Jamie was pretty much sudsing up with the glorified plastic bag. But we'll leave the past in the past. Made from konjac plant root, the Orijin sponge is 100% natural and fully biodegradable. Because our sponge is infused with bamboo charcoal, it's antimicrobial, helping prevent the growth of bacteria and those nasty, musty odors from developing at all. Its unique design helps move water from across its surface while gently exfoliating all skin types, helping remove dry, dead skin. Its ergonomic design feels natural in your hands and all up on your body. So, we invite you to try it out for yourself. Feel the difference of what could very well be the only sponge you'll want to rub your body with again. The Orijin sponge by Orijin Design Company.